Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are screen recording because we are going to play Among Us. Yes, Among Us. And if you hear that in the back, I am playing with slime. Yeah, but that's not part of the video, so I'm gonna put this away. But yeah, guys, I've been posting a lot for you guys. I'm gonna start posting try to start posting every day. I cannot really post every day because of me with school, and I have school and I have to focus on school and everything, and I'm focusing on trying to get a new puppy. And if you guys don't know about my giveaway, make sure that you watch my last recent video, because in that video it tells you about how to get in the giveaway, the things you have to do to get in the giveaway, and yeah, basically. Please make sure that you like this video or subscribe, because I would really like it. And if you go follow my TikTok and like some of my videos. So yeah, and I'm gonna start posting on Instagram. So yeah, for you guys, sorry I keep saying so yeah, but yeah, I'm gonna be posting on my Instagram for you guys. So basically we're gonna be playing Among Us today. We're gonna be playing 5 rounds of Among Us. So yeah, let's get started. So I'm gonna pick online, and this is a name that I put one day, but my name is Kayleen. Okay, let's find a game. Some days it says that the game you tried to join is full. That's why I get mad. But I try to join the ones that have out of 10 people, because if I don't join the one that has out of 10 people, like, I'm not gonna join. Oh my god, it's going fast. Let me try to change my color. Okay, this is the only color available. Purple! Let's get it. Okay, I'm gonna tell them. Oh, let me put my little thing. Wait, it's off. Okay. Can you put the speed higher, please? Because they always want to take it into a fence. Okay, I'm still recording. I make sure that I'm still recording, because every time it says, oh, you're not recording. Oh, and here's my little mic. Okay. Oh my god, the lights are turned off. Okay, let's get started. Let's see where I got task. Ooh, I got task and weapons. I gotta be super careful because I can get killed easily if this happens. Sorry guys, I'm readjusting my headphones. If you hear that weird sound, that's me fixing my headphones. Okay, we're gonna go down to admin and do my little task. I hope nobody kills me. This is the task that I hate because they always take the longest. Okay. I played this game a lot of times before, so that's why if you see me. Oh my god. Where? Oh my god, I put we. I saw on admin table. Admin table? Navigation. Oh, navigation's over there. Okay, I'm gonna pick. Sorry. I don't know which person to pick. This game is really lame. It's lime that is gonna get things, I think. Yes. I knew it. It was not the imposter, because nobody knows who's the imposter. Okay. Is there a thing in like security to fix the lights? I really don't want to go to security because I really don't want to get killed. I mean electrical, because like I know a lot of people kill over there for no reason. And you guys wanted Vlogmas. I'm gonna do Vlogmas. It's that I'm not doing it right now because I'm not doing Vlogmas right now because of the reason why, because I'm not on my winter break for school. I'm also gonna do New Year's thing Vlogmas. Yeah, that. And on Christmas, I'm gonna show you guys while I'm opening my presents and stuff like that. So yeah, so that's a little bit of stuff that I put. And guys, make sure that you get in that giveaway, because that giveaway is giving away a lot of stuff. And I'm also gonna give away something else that y'all are gonna love. Ooh, okay, insecurity. Who is sus? I was trying to do a task. Okay, so everybody skipped, so no one was ejected. Skipped. No one was ejected. Skipped. I'm going back to the place. This is what I like, because when you do a task, I have a lot of tasks in electrical, but I'm not gonna go in there because I already know somebody's gonna try to kill me. You already know I'm not for none of that. I know my partner is gonna get killed already. You just need one person to leave out to get killed. Okay, let me see. Okay, this. Oh, okay. Dark blue and red are... Dark blue is sus. Okay, I'm gonna move because I'm scared. Okay, I'm so scared. Okay, I'm gonna go because I'm scared. I'm scared, okay. Oh, no! Okay, yellow already caught him. Okay, guys, we're gonna get out of this game and go in another one. But I lost because I died. Okay, there's a lot of games that are started. I don't know how to edit those, so I don't know how to edit this out when I'm trying to get in the game. I don't know how to edit. Okay, guys, if you get this thing, that means it's a hacker. Oh, my bad. Never mind. I literally got in the game and then I left. I need some chapstick. My lips hurt. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna leave because barely nobody's in that game, and I want it to go fast because I don't want my YouTube video to be too long. Oh my god. I'm gonna have to wait to change my color to red or pink, whatever. Okay, I need to find some Vaseline because... Okay, we're gonna leave this game. Okay, I'm also gonna leave since the other person left. Oh my god, it's so difficult to find a game in this app. Four people, okay. Let me put some lip chapstick on. Somebody commented, want to be team blue. Okay. Somebody else joined. A lot of people like want to leave. What's your number though? I'm not even gonna say nothing, cause that's sus. Like, if you are in like any app, any game, and somebody asks you for your personal number, do not give them your personal number. Cause if you give them their personal number, they might hack you or something, or find your IP, and also they probably can like do it. But if you really want to find a source to talk to them, use Snapchat and give them your Snapchat, because you don't use they can't see your phone number. They can't see your phone number during Snapchat. So yeah, but start the game. I'm crewmate. I'm also gonna try to do an ASMR maybe one time. I have a lot of video ideas now that I restarted my YouTube community. And I have enough money now to do giveaways, because I used to not have enough money to do giveaways. Oh my god, it's pink. It's pink. Pink ran away from the body. You see, I'm good at catching imposters. Okay. This person is starting the game fast. Oh my god, Cayenne really wants somebody's number, like. Okay, now we're gonna try to do tasks, because in the last game it ended so freaking fast, so I wasn't able to do any tasks. Okay, let's do this. Oh, if you guys want me to do like a little Twitch thing, I have Twitch. Yes, I downloaded it because somebody from my school had it. And they were like, "Oh, you want to be? You want?" No, no. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna go down here. Okay, we're gonna go to storage. How did that? Did you guys just see that Cayenne disappear? Okay, I'm gonna keep an eye on this guy. Oh, he's not an imposter. Saw him do trash. Feller. Okay, we're gonna do all my tasks, because if you didn't know, in Among Us, if your crewmate with other people, and you finish all your tasks, if you guys finish all your tasks all together in a whole group, you win the game. But if you're imposter in it, dark blue is very sus. If you're imposter, you have to kill everybody. Oops, somebody vented and I saw it. Ooh, it was yellow. It was yellow vented. Okay. Let me do this task before I call an emergency meeting. The yellow vented. Sorry, I'm spelling totally wrong. Okay.